guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craftomania. So today I will show you how to make these cute little chicks. But before we begin, I would request all of you to make sure to like, share and subscribe because a very less percentage of my viewers have subscribed. So now let's begin. So the materials that you will need for making this chick are cup, glue, white wool, jute and some beads. Let's begin. So first you have to take the cup and you have to cut some odd number of strips. Here I am going to cut 11 strips. Just like this. Like this, we have done it. Now you have to just fold it in this way. So now after you have done folding, you have to take the jute and first you have to stick it right over here. Now for the first strip you have to put the jute right behind it and then after that you have to put it in front of it and you have to keep continuing to do this till the end. Then it will look like a small basket. So now we have come to the end. So now I am going to cut this part and I will stick it using the glue. Now our basket is ready. Now I will put it aside so that it will dry and now we will make the cute little chick. For making the chick, we are going to take the white wool. You have to take the white wool and start rolling it or wrapping it around your fingers. First you have to tie it just like this. Now you have to keep rolling it around your fingers. So I am going to stop wrapping it around my fingers. Now you have to tie it. You can tie it however you want. So now we have done tying it. Now we are going to cut the long threads which are here. And you have to start cutting the top part. You also have to cut the bottom part also. Now we have to cut the side part so that it has the shape of a circle. Just like this. So this is done. Now we have to make another one which is a little bit bigger than this. So I'm gonna start making the other one too. It will be done in the whole same process. Only if you wanna make it a little bit bigger, then you have to cut a little bit lesser. Now we will start cutting. Now we have done making both of them. So now we are going to stick this smaller one on top of the other one. After sticking, now I'm gonna let it dry. It has dried. So now we will put some little beads for making the eyes. And I am also going to use a foam sheet for making its beak. You will also need a little bit of cotton so that you can put it on the basket. I have put the eyes and the beak. It is looking so cute. See. Now I'm just gonna put it on the basket and our little cute chick is fully completed. We have done making these cute little chicks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And you can please subscribe and share and also like. You can also follow my Instagram account. The link is in the description. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye!